is the Burrito Supreme. Have you had the Burrito Supreme at Taco Bell?
So here we go. I actually am a bean burrito. That's it. I do that at Taco Bell. And I do it pretty often. I've done it after even I've been.
And what I've have to march across your forehead and equalization, two different hands, holding it. One holds a steak knife, the other one holds a butter knife. You know what I mean?
Yeah. It kind of balanced me off. It feels like an equilibrium. Mind, body, and so science is for the mind. Comedy is for the body, and music is for the soul. So it's like a trichotomy. They're the exact same phenomena. So there's a number of different.
Dude.
Pathological compulsion is an abnormal, constant pursuit. Now, we understand.
Is that supposed to subdue somebody, or is that supposed to make you feel you're in some sort of